Hi boys and girls, we're going to start off by looking at how to create a title slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now I'm using the desktop version on my laptop. You might have a tablet, you might be using a Mac, or you might be using a version on Teams. So yours might look slightly different, but hopefully the main features are the same. So a title slide is a way for us to introduce our presentation and to really capture people's attention and tell them what our presentation is all about. So the first thing I want to do is change the background of my slide. I'm going to right click the background and go to Format Background. You can then see that a new sidebar appears. Now you could create a solid fill, which is where the background goes one colour. You can create a gradient fill where you can change it to look almost like a kind of ombre effect. You can include a pattern instead, where you can create a patterned effect. There's stripes, there's zigzags, or you can do what I'm going to do and insert a picture. So you can go to Insert and you can see that you can choose pictures from a file, which are pictures you've downloaded to your computer, a stock image, which are pictures that are stored inside PowerPoint, or online images as well. We're going to start off by searching for online images, and it will then bring us up into a Bing browser. You can see there's lots of different categories, but we're going to search for oceans, and we're going to see if there's any good backgrounds that we like the look of, that we think are really going to stand out. There's lots of good ones here. And I think I'm going to go for, I quite like this one actually. Right, and let's see, insert and see if we like it. Oh, excellent, I love that. Right, you then need to use a title that explains what your PowerPoint presentation is all about. So our PowerPoint is all about oceans of the world, layers of the ocean. And I'm going to change the font to a nice bold font. So to do that, you highlight the title and you go up here and you can see there's loads of different fonts that you can choose from. Now, some of these come with PowerPoint and some of them are ones that I've downloaded, but I'm looking for a nice bold font. And I quite like this one here. I think that really stands out. You can then, change the size of the font by going to this little wee drop down list here, and you can see there's different sizes. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can also just use the buttons next to it to change the size. And you can also make it bold to stand out even more, italic, underline it, or even strike through. And I'm just going to leave mine bold. Sorry, boys and girls. Underneath your title, you want to say who this PowerPoint is by, so when people watch it, they know that it's you that's created it. So underneath, I'm going to say by Mrs. Chan. Don't forget, you can also change the colour of your font by going up here to the little wee A with the colour underneath and choosing from a range of different colours that you think are going to stand out. There we go. I'm quite happy with that. I hope that was useful, boys and girls. Let me know if you've got any questions and don't forget to watch the next video. Bye for now.